first of the presidential debates will be held tonight. One of the items that obviously they'll be talking about is the economy. I'm here with Teddy Weisberg of Seaport Securities. So they'll be talking about the economy, and clearly they're going to be, beating up the president on jobs and the deficit, right?
Well, I think all the obvious and all of the above. But, politicians being what they are, they have basically been posturing for weeks in anticipation of these debates. So I think we all stand a good chance of being completely underwhelmed by anything that we see. And it's really unfortunate because it defeats the purpose of the debates. I mean, it would be terrific if it could be a lively, sort of impromptu, off-the-cuff dialogue about what each of these fellows thinks. Instead, I think it's pretty much scripted. The responses will be scripted, and yes, it will be a primetime TV moment for a lot of folks, but I suspect we're, as I said at the outset, we will most likely be underwhelmed.
So you don't think we'll probably see any reaction from the market out of anything we're going to hear tonight?
Well, I think, listen, I think that we've been talking about the market reaction for months. If the polls are indicating a Romney victory, the market would be screaming. The market would be screaming. Because in my opinion, it's not about Romney versus Obama. It's about change. The country desperately needs a change in psychology. We need to get out of this funk that we're in. And so to me, it's not about whether it's a Republican or a Democrat. It's that we just need somebody with a positive message that will encompass the entire U.S. population. So in that sense, if Romney were ahead, I think the markets would be reflecting that. I think the markets clearly are telling us perhaps that Obama is going to win, and the reason I say that is not because of anything dramatic going on overall, but you just look at the constant strength in the healthcare sector, and whether it's biotech, big pharma. I mean, this is all about Obamacare not going away, in my opinion, and so the drug stocks, or the whole drug sector, and that's a broad sector, there's a lot of parts to it, and the constant strength in that sector is sort of reinforcing the fact that I think the market's looking for an Obama victory. If that turns out not to be the case, for whatever reason, maybe it's because of something we hear tonight, unlikely but possible, I think you'll see a complete reversal. I think you'll see a broader rally, and then you'll see weakness in that sector. But beyond that, I mean, it's anybody's guess.
All right, so there you have it from Teddy. If we get a Romney win, we'll have the Romney-Ryan rally. But for now, we've got an Obama stall.